Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update for the free OKEx Bitcoin grid bot I deployed just about 23 days ago. So it's been almost a month since this bot has been deployed. But before we get too far into the weeds, if you're not familiar with how a grid bot actually functions, its objective is basically to buy low and sell high. And you see the red lines and green lines on the chart. Those represent your grid, and each red line would represent a limit sell order, and each green line on the grid would represent a limit buy order. And the idea is when the price goes down, you're buying the dip, and when the price goes up, you're selling the rip. So if the price drops, each time it hits one of these green lines, it executes a buy order. And then when the price goes back up and starts taking out the red lines, it's executing limit sell orders. And so again, you're just looking to buy low, sell high, and capture profit. And so just about a month ago, I deployed a grid bot over here on the OKEx exchange. Now, if you're not familiar with OKEx, it's actually an exchange I've started to use a lot more as I phased out Binance. And actually these days, OKEx has become my go-to exchange for day trading. And if you are part of the Telegram group for Recon Trader, you will see some of my updates for some of the day trades I've actually executed over here on OKEx. Now, if you don't follow me over on Telegram, you might want to look in the description. There is a link to the Telegram group. And with that being said, if you don't currently trade on OKEx, I will drop a link to OKEx in the description down below. And if you use my link, you will actually get a 10% kickback on your fees from OKEx. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to the grid bot itself. In the setup video, I showed you how you come over here to where it says manual trading. Give that a click. You'll see trading bot. There's nowhere else I really see this option available. It's kind of hidden in my opinion. But if you click on trading bot, that will give you the parameters to set up your own grid trading bot. Now, I'm not going to get into those details in this video. You can check out the link down below for the how to set up an OKEx grid bot if you want to see how I actually set up this particular bot. And with that being said, I actually deployed the bot on this candle here where you see the little yellow arrow. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see you have a few different tabs across the top here, and if you select the bots tab, that will show your active trading bots, and you can see order time, October 16th, that's when I actually deployed this bot. And if we come over here to the details button, give that a click, we will land on the details for that particular grid bot. And you can see it's just a spot grid bot. I deployed 22 days and 21 hours, so almost 23 days ago. And right now the bot has captured 50 USDT in profit on my initial investment of 500 USDT, which is just about a 10% profit in 23 days. So we're just shy of the 0.5% profit level I would expect from a BTC USDT bot. However, part of the reason this bot is a little shy perhaps of that profit margin is the price range when I deployed the bot. My lower price range was 56,000, my upper price range was 66,000. And if we jump back over here to the Bitcoin chart, you can see that the price actually did spike up above 66,000 when it set its all-time new high. But it did sell off nicely, so I was able to buy this dip all the way down almost perfectly to the 56,000 level. And we have once again back above 66,000. However, we have slipped just below that 66,000 level. So if we get another sell-off perhaps down into, say, the 60,000 level, this bot could then bounce back up and continue to generate some profit. However, with that being said, it does miss out on opportunities as it does not trail that price above my upper limit, and if it was to go below 56,000, it won't trail the price down. So that is a feature I would like to see OKEx add, is a trailing up or down feature, which they don't have. Once the price goes above your upper limit, your bot is out of the fight and you have to wait for the price to come down below to get back in the battle. But again, this is a free grid bot. I don't pay any fees for it other than the trading fees, obviously. And so as far as a free grid bot goes, this one does meet my specs for the most part. Now, something I noticed today when I logged in, there's a button here that says withdraw income. I'm going to give that a shot. I have no idea what's going to happen, but let's give it a click. And so I get a pop-up that says withdraw all your income, and withdrawn income will be transferred to trading account. You can check your income in manual trading mode. So confirm. Now, to confirm I've actually received those funds, I can come over here to assets, go to the report center, click on trading account history, and now you can see that the strategy transfer release after withdrawal, it did send the 50 USDT to my trading account balance, so that increased by that 50 USDT and change. And so now it appears I actually have access to that 50 USDT to use in perhaps a new grid bot or something along those lines. But as far as this bot goes, I think I'm currently just out of range on the price, and so I will continue to monitor this for perhaps another day to let it get back in range. If it doesn't get back into range, I will more than likely shut this bot down and reconfigure the grid. So, with that all being said, I think that pretty much wraps it up. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you're interested in crypto bot trading, you might want to shoot that subscribe button. I make a couple videos a week at least on bot trading alone, so you might want to shoot that subscribe button now so you don't miss those future videos. If you have any questions or comments, drop those down in the comment section below. I will drop a link to OKEx in the description down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.